Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio. We love you.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Taylor GTV. If y'all ain't watching me, know what y'all doing, period. Y'all, today is Tuesday, February 21st. Okay, it's Tuesday, February 21st, and it's going down. If you don't know now, you know, baby. It is the Mardi Gras here in New Orleans. The only Mardi Gras, the best Mardi Gras argue with y'all mom, okay? So this is a Mardi Gras vlog, and it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit.
Have your cups and your glasses ready. We getting drunk and we gonna act a damn fool.
It's lit. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell, because y'all already know this video is back to back. Period. Okay, y'all. It's currently 4 o'clock in the morning, and the shenanigans are starting this early. So, I'm ready for Mardi Gras. If y'all haven't watched my prep for Mardi Gras vlog, go watch that because it's out now.
You can't even sit in peace, cause all of these niggas be on you.
Corey Towns, y'all.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah.
And y'all go come back to this video and be with all the shenanigans, y'all. So I brushed my teeth, and we're gonna have to get ready, okay? So let me show y'all my outfit. These are my shorts I made. So cute. Let's go. And this is my shirts. My auntie made it, y'all. It's so pretty. So I'm about to, yeah, it's going down. Like, that's all I know. It's going down. If y'all haven't experienced the Mardi Gras, I suggest y'all experience a Mardi Gras. But I'm about to just get dressed, and I'm gonna come back when it's time to take my hair down, because I got these flexi rods in, and it's giving curls for the girls today. Okay. Yeah, this is my outfit. So cute. I try to put my shoes on, take my hair down, and put on some lashes. I might do lashes, I might not. I don't know. It depends on how I feel, but I look cute without lashes. I don't know. Yeah, it's time to take my hair down. Yeah, it's really going down for Mardi Gras. Like, it's full of liquor, beads, food, everything, y'all. It's up and it's stuck. I really should have took my hair down whenever we made it out there, but because my curls definitely gonna fall. But it's okay. But yeah, y'all, it's going down. Liquor, food, fun, family, beads, booze. Booze as in liquor. It's going down. Mardi Gras Mambo, okay? That's it, that's all. But y'all, we gotta wake up so early because the parades be packed. And like the first parade is where it's called the Zulu parade. And the Zulu is where we have Indians. Like, I'm gonna have to show y'all a picture. I'm gonna insert a picture of Indians, but it's like these New Orleans Indians dressed in like costumes and feathers and all that, and they throw coconuts. It's a tradition for them to throw coconuts, y'all. So that's that. Ooh. That's what you just, it's really a special event. So that's why you be up so early, and then you gotta get a parking spot. It's just, oh, my hair is so pretty. I had wine crowded last night, so yeah. I gotta freshen it up a little bit, but
B-Day.
so cute. I'm coming back, y'all. Look at Kennedy, so cute.
15 minutes later.
All right, y'all, so it's like 5:21 now, and I showed y'all the girls. I think, did I show y'all the girls? Kaylee, look, baby. Ooh, you look so pretty.
Thank you.
Y'all gonna see more of her, but now we're at Brothers. I don't know if y'all have a Brothers out there. It's kind of like a Popeyes, or like a kind of like a gas station Popeyes. So like where you get chicken. So we're getting some chicken out there to bring out there to eat and stuff, because we gonna have buku food, y'all, but can't go wrong with chicken. Then we going get donuts because we hungry. I did not eat yet. I did not eat. I'm hungry, so we gonna do that, and then we're gonna get my grandma, and then we going out there. I really should have kept the flexi rods in my hair and took them down when I got out there, because my curls is gone. But yeah. Yeah, so I for a quality change, but let me show you what I got. I grabbed my gold cell phone. Okay, alright. I have a portable fan.
Love you.
I have a portable fan because it's supposed to be hot today. So yeah. Don't play with me and my thing. What else I got? A brush. I have
Morning coffee.
Yeah, she got her coffee. I have my portable charger that my good brother got me. My lip gloss. I forgot my lace. And my headphones, y'all. So, we parade ready. We look so cute. We gotta take a picture. So, whenever we get out there, I'll probably come back. Mardi Gras, Mardi Gras, Mardi Gras. How you say the first thing?
Roger le bon temps roulé.
There you go. There you go.
Let the good times roll.
Let it roll. Alright, y'all. So we got the chicken. Now we're at Terry Sound Cafe, the best donuts in the city. Argue with y'all more. Look at my mama. She looks so cute. So we're getting our donuts so we can roll outside. Okay?
Say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? I'm feeling this reckless. I'm knowing it's selfish. I'm knowing I'm desperate. Getting all in and left falling all over love. Like do it till it's last.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap. How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone.
Y'all, we made it outside. Look at my mom. Look at that, mom. Rado, look at that. Yay! Rado, you're so handsome. Look at Tajo.
Snap your fingers, this, that. You can do it all, but yourself, baby girl. What's your name? Let me talk to
Yo, it's hot. I got a fan, it's hot. And I'm drunk.
you. Let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain, you know me. Big music napping boy. I know the club goes at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me? Back to the crib, show you how I live. Let's get drunk, forget what we did. I'ma buy you a drink.
Much later.
Y'all, so in the middle of the parade, we came in the car to cool off, and this little boy, he took his clothes off. This little boy took his clothes off, and now it's hot out here.
Talk to me, I talk back. Let's talk money, I talk back. Won't you?
One thing that you gotta remember, one muggy don't stop no show.
Bombs, Oakley shades, shorty got class, oh behave, let's get gone, walk it.
Several song-filled hours later.
Y'all, the parade is over.
Happy Mardi Gras, y'all.
My nose ring. Can't say Happy Mardi Gras. Y'all,
Y'all, look at the food. Look at the food, though. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I have to push this off.
they got extra.
And I got some time.
Why you walking on the back of them vans and they new? See, these kids don't, I don't remember coming this way, but whatever. Y'all, it's hot. My fan's still going strong. Shout out to my cousin for buying me my fan.
Right there.
But it's right there. But we're going to the car. Baby, I am tired. I'm tired, bro. Tired, no bleach, no game, no detergent. I'm tired. Okay, my dogs barking, my head and fell. Yo.
Yes, like that, that's what I'm talking about. We gon' have fun, you gon' see. On that Patron, you did like me. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take it home with me. I got money in the bank. I'll be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like
3 days later.
Hey y'all, so it's like 3 days. Hold on, I'm gonna just put it on mute. 3 days later, and let me tell y'all, Mardi Gras was everything. You hear me? Like, from the vibes, the food, the people, like, I really enjoyed myself so much. I got so sunburned. Like, it really don't make no sense how sunburned I got. The bottom of my lips look like I've been smoking, or like I'm an alcoholic or something, because you know whenever they I don't know, that's me exposing my hood side. But it was hot, but baby, we had a time. because so much stuff, like, I just can't wait till next year. So y'all, if y'all watching this, the next Mardi Gras is February 13th, baby. They announced it already. It's February 13th. So y'all better make plans and plan accordingly. My nieces looked cute. My nephew was handsome. Like, it was everything. We caught so much stuff, yo. Like, this was a Mardi Gras I'll never forget. But that's really the end of this vlog, because another one is coming right up after this. Period.
Make a tap out, tap out, tap out, tap out, tap out.
Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio. We love you.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because these videos coming back to back. Period.